So I wanted to show you the final result of my sagging headliner series. As you might have seen a number of months ago, on a really hot California day, the glue failed on the Alcantara fabric that's a part of the headliner. It started to sag, was laying on my head, would flap in the wind. So I decided I would figure out how to take it out and take it to an upholsterer. So in the previous series of 15 videos, you've seen me show you how to take out the dash panels, and you had to take out the dash panels so you could remove this cant rail. And I showed you how to take out the rear view mirror and ultimately get the headliner panel down and out. I took the headliner panel to a local upholstery shop, and I also gave the upholsterer a few pieces of the leather dash panels where the leather had started to peel up at the corners, which is another common issue with the DB9. So once I got all the parts back, I bought some new clips and I reinstalled the headliner, the cant rail, the rear view mirror, and all the dash panels. I wanted to share the result with you. So here's how it turned out. The fabric is nice and smooth on the headliner. The cant rails are snapped in all nice and tight. Nice seam line here, so that's because I used the new clips. I've got the rear view mirror back in place, and that's nice and tight. All my dash panels are back in place. I have a few less squeaks than I used to have, and the leather's fitting a little tighter than it used to where it was loose. So all in all, it ended up looking pretty good, I think. So the final result, I think, was great. For under 200 US dollars, I repaired the whole issue. I don't think it was particularly difficult as a do-it-yourselfer, so I think it's something you can do if you just follow the videos along yourself. So hopefully that helps you. If you enjoyed this video, up here you'll see whatever my latest video is. Down here in the bottom right, you'll see a companion blog article where I sort of detail all the other things that I've talked about in this video. If you enjoy these things, please go ahead and subscribe so you get an automatic notice anytime I post something new. And as always, I really enjoy your comments, so please leave those down below. Thanks for watching.